Hello, Smart Sprouts! Welcome back to the channel. Are you looking for easy, everyday English phrases you can use with your kids at home? Well, you are in the right place. Today, we are sharing 50 daily English sentences that you can use from the moment your child wakes up until it's time for bed. These simple phrases will help your little ones practice English naturally. Here is how this works. I'll say each sentence clearly, and then you and your child can pause. Feel free to watch this video every day to build your confidence and vocabulary. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss our fun learning videos. Are you ready? Let's jump right into part 1, morning routines.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Good morning, Mom. Yes, I had wonderful dreams.
Wake up, sleepyhead. It's time to start the day. Stretch your arms and take a deep breath.
Big stretch. I'm ready.
Time to get out of bed. Let's brush your teeth and wash your face. What do you want to wear today?
I want to wear my favorite blue shirt and comfy pants.
Get dressed, please. And don't forget to put on your shoes.
All done, Mom. Look, my shoes are on.
Breakfast is ready. Come to the table. Pancakes and fresh milk. Did you drink all your milk?
Yes, all gone.
That's my good helper. Eat your food slowly. Don't rush.
Okay, Mom. I'm ready for a fun day.
What do you want to play today?
I want to build a giant castle with my blocks.
That sounds like fun.
Let's build something together with your blocks.
Look, Mom, I'm putting the yellow block on. Be careful, don't build it too fast or it might fall over.
Here, you can play with this red race car. Thank you so much.
You are so kind and helpful. I love seeing you share.
It's almost time to go inside.
Can you pick up your toys and put them away? I love seeing you share.
Yes, Mom. All the blocks go back into the toy chest.
You did a wonderful job today cleaning up. I am so proud of you.
See you in the next video.